everybody remembers the fire triangle, right? Fuel, oxygen, ignition source, right? Okay, so that's where we're going to start with this whole combustible dust thing. We still need to have all three of those things. But when we start talking about combustible dust and deflagration and then explosion, we need to have a couple of more things to add to the picture. So in order for us to have a deflagration, we need to have dispersion, right? So what that means is we take that dust that's on the ground and it becomes airborne, right? And it becomes airborne in the right concentration. We have the right size. We have all of that stuff. And then we have the fuel, right, which is our dust. We have the oxygen, the oxidant, right? We have the ignition source. Now the ignition source could be a fire, open flame. It could be an electrostatic charge or a shock. And it could just be heat. Okay, that's a big culprit, is just heat. So it could be friction heat, it could be process heat, it could be a lot of those different things. All right, so we get those up in the air. We have that dispersion. It catches on fire. Whoosh. Okay, that's our deflagration. All right. Now you take those elements, you take all of those, and you put them in a confined area. All right, whereas with that deflagration, it has some place it can just go anywhere, right? Right. Now you're putting it into a confined area. All right. What it would be like it'd be like me coming in here. It'd be like me calling everybody in here the worst name possible, and then me running out the door and you guys running after me. Right? That's deflagration, right? You guys can go anywhere and try to get me. Okay. But now I'm going to do that. And I'm going to lock the door. All right? You can't get anywhere. It's like me putting everybody in the Big Brother household. Right? So we're just locked in that room, right? That's confinement. Right? It's going to be a very explosive situation, right? So that's combustible dust explosion. All right? So that's the three pieces of it that we really need to focus on, or we at least need to understand. So you take away that confinement, you're going to have that flash fire. You're going to have that deflagration. You take away that dispersion, you get that regular fire, right? You take away any of the other three, you get no fire, right? So just general fire principles, all right? Class dismissed. That's all you got to worry about, right? That's all you guys got to worry about. Take away any of those, and we're going to be able to take care of this.